Oh, that's a good fish. What? Oh my goodness. Welcome to the channel, newcomers, and for those of you who have been watching, thanks for following. We're gonna do some creek fishing today. I've got this creek actually all around me. I'll pan around so you can kind of see it. I'm on a little island right now, and we're gonna head upstream and see if we can get into some fish. Stay with me. All right, looking for a nice deep hole to fish. So far it's been pretty shallow like this from where I started. So we're gonna keep moving up. There's a fish. First fish of the day. Ah, this is like a panfish obstacle course. Ooh. Still looking for that first bass. Whether it be largemouth or smallmouth, I don't really care. I'm just much more of a bass guy than a panfish guy. Oh yeah. Okay guys, well I just spotted my first bass and I'll show you the tackle that I brought with me today. It's very, very minimal. I've got like 6 rooster tails, 3 gold blade, 3 silver blade, and then I've got some tungsten jig heads and some tube jig heads. The only plastics I brought with me are some small key techs that I might have to pinch an inch off, some nymphs that are actually for trout, and some Lunker Hunt worms, a couple different colors in there. And then I've got some of these Weston Mega Tees. And then lastly I have some little mini tubes. So we're going to put on a jig head and see if we can get this bass to bite. I think we're going to start off throwing one of these little minnow imitators and see if that bass wants to eat one of these. And we're just going to rig this guy up. Hook right out the back. Just like that. And let's see if he wants to eat that. That bass is right out in front of me. Oh yeah. Oh, he went for it. As soon as I put it on, he went for it. So I just lost sight of that bass. He did hit the Mega Tees first cast, so I think that's him. Oh, he just threw me. Oh, well, that kind of sucks. I had the bass on finally and he shook my hook loose. And he's not trying to bite again, so just gonna keep moving upstream. At least now I have a lure that the bass want to eat on. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a bass. That's a big bass. Oh man. Oh man. This is the biggest one I've ever caught out of this creek. Wow. I mean, that's not a big bass by all means, but for this little teeny creek, this is a big bass. I mean, I haven't caught one half this size before. So that makes me feel a lot better for what just happened. Sweet. Oh, that's a smallmouth. Oh my goodness. This is only the second smallmouth I've ever caught out of here. All right. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I know I'm getting excited over little fish here, but this is my second smallmouth ever out of this creek. And he's got some really pretty colors on top. Speckles. See if I can get up here on this tree. A little ways. Do some fishing from up here. Oh, I got a big bass on. Oh, no way. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. From up in the tree. Hold on, hold on. Gotcha. Oh, There he went. There's one of them. All right, another bass on the board. A little one. This is more like what I normally would catch in here. Is bass about that size. That's why I was freaking out about that bigger one, because this is the normal for this creek. Oh my God. All right, now we're in business here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that smallie. There we go. Second smallie of the day. My third ever out of this creek, and this is the biggest one. Awesome. That's a bass. Oh, that was a big smallie. That was a big smallie. That was the biggest I've ever seen in here. Oh, look at this, a perch. Another species, guys. Got a yellow perch here. Awesome. This has been a great multi-species day. All right, just came out the other side of this log jam for the 17th time today. And there's a nice deep pool right here. There's a fish. That's a bass. That's a bass. That is a nice smallmouth. Oh, he just came off. But that was a nice smallmouth. All right, another perch. This is a much bigger one. I think this is the biggest perch I've ever caught out of here too. Hold on, buddy. I gotcha. It's a beautiful perch. That's a fish. There's the biggest long ear of the day. That's a good fish. Is that a smallie? That's a smallie. Oh, that's a good smallie. That's the biggest smallie I've ever caught out of here by far. Oh my goodness. I did not have any idea there were smallmouth like this in here. Look at this. Well, of course I didn't have my scale with me. I didn't have it last time and I forgot to put it in, so I'm gonna say he's about a pound. It looks like he's just about there, maybe slightly under, but that is my PB for this creek smallmouth. Pumped. Another smallie. Wow. So I've fished this creek a couple times previously and caught one smallie. And he was about that size. Today, I think this is my fourth, and I caught a couple big ones. Lost a couple too. Oh, that's another good bass. Man, I'm so shocked today, guys. So shocked. Look at this. We got a largie. First largie in a while. That's a good one for this creek. Another perch. there's our third yellow perch of the day. Catching a variety of species. Oh, that's a good fish. What? Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No way. No freaking way, guys. What are you talking about? This one is definitely over a pound. Wow, guys. This has been an amazing creek fishing day. I can't get over this smallmouth. I can't believe that there's smallmouth this big in here. I never, ever would have thought it, ever. So I've caught my biggest smallmouth and my biggest perch and my biggest largemouth. That's another good fish. There's another good smallmouth. This is crazy, guys. This is just crazy. I am stunned right now. Stunned. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. I caught some good fish today, the biggest fish I've ever caught out of here in 3 different species. I had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.